AI trading bots have been around in crypto for a while, but the setup is usually where things start getting complicated. Coding, extra software, different dependencies, server configuration, and suddenly a simple trading idea turns into a pretty serious technical setup. What I'm testing here is a different kind of approach, a fully automated system for trading assets like BTC, ETH, SOL, TRX, and others, with GPT working as part of the AI layer. Instead of judging it by the interface, I'm more interested in what's happening underneath, how the system is structured, how trading decisions are handled, and what parts of the process can actually be verified. After more than 10 years of testing crypto projects, I've learned to pay much more attention to the technical side. A polished dashboard doesn't tell me much by itself. The source code, transaction history, contract activity, system architecture, that's where the useful information usually starts showing up. So first thing, the account has to be connected here, or a new one created if this is the first time using the platform. Once that's done, the main dashboard opens up, and this is basically where all the important stuff is collected. Portfolio analytics, active processes, the current session, it's all sitting on one screen. Scrolling down a little, there's more detail on the current session, trading report for the different tokens, the active AI agent tier, and a few other system stats. Okay, I'm gonna jump over to the performance tab, and this is where the longer term data is shown. Session breakdowns, projected results, and the full session history with the activity separated by hour. So it's pretty easy to get a quick picture of how the bot has been running without digging through separate pages. So there are 3 AI agent tiers available here, and the differences between them are listed underneath. I've been testing the platform for a few weeks now, and at the moment, I'm still running the first tier, mainly because I want to see how the basic configuration behaves before changing anything. The wallet tab is more straightforward. This is the full balance history. Deposits, withdrawals, session allocations, balance changes, basically the wallet activity in one place. And from here, the setup for a new account is pretty short. I'll open this section, select a tier, press Get Started, and then choose the token. Once it's selected, the system generates a unique address. I can copy it from here and send transaction. And that's the part where the session gets funded and ready to start. Okay, transaction just went through, my balance is updated, and the session is now showing the higher allocation rate for the bot's trades. That part is reflected directly in the dashboard, so there's no need to jump between different screens. So now let's check the withdrawal side of it. I'm opening Withdrawal tab, and here it shows the amount currently available along with the percentage of my deposit that has been unlocked. This is based on the activity from the last few days, so the number is tied to the recent sessions rather than some fixed estimate. So I'll select the token first, then the network, and drop here my destination address. Everything looks correct, so I hit withdraw. And now it's just waiting for the protocol to process the transaction. A few seconds pass, the balance updates on the platform, and once the blockchain confirmation comes through, it'll show up in my wallet. Pretty straightforward from this side. The important part is that the withdrawal status and the balance change are both visible in the same interface. So while that's processing, let me explain why this setup caught my attention in the first place. The main thing here is the level of automation. There isn't a bunch of separate software running around in the background that needs constant attention. The AI layer is built around GPT, which gives the system a pretty capable engine for analyzing trading environment and handling the logic behind each session. And that matters because the technical side of crypto can get complicated really fast. Normally, getting a system like this running could mean going through documentation, dealing with dependencies, configuring software, checking code, fixing errors, and that's before the actual trading logic even becomes relevant. Here, most of that complexity is pushed into the platform itself. I'm not sitting here digging through Solidity files or installing a stack of third-party tools just to get the basic system working. The sessions run through the same interface, all activities recorded, and the results can be tracked directly from the dashboard. I'd rather see stable operation and verifiable session data than hear another big claim about how revolutionary an AI bot is. So once the transaction finishes, we can check the updated balance and see exactly how the session looks from here. Anyway, that's pretty much my experience with the platform. I'm gonna keep tracking it and sharing results as I get more data. If there's anything specific about the setup or the trading process that I didn't cover, drop it in comments. I'll go through the questions and include more details in the next updates. And for anyone interested in checking the platform out, I'll leave the link in description and in comments. Crypto has a lot of fake platforms and copycat websites floating around, so always check the exact domain before sending any crypto. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep sharing the results as the testing continues.